Guys, we're making bacon mac and cheese in my Ninja Foodi Grill. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. And if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it. Get all the alerts on what we're doing here, all right? So what are we doing here today? Guys, we are using my Ninja Foodi Grill to make mac and cheese. Anyway. I don't know why I came up with this idea, but I know that the Ninja Foodi Grill actually bakes, it roasts, it does dehydrate, it does so much more than grilling. So I figured I would try to make some mac and cheese in the Ninja Foodi Grill. I'm excited about this. This is pretty cool. The first thing we're gonna do is just grill off some bacon. So we're gonna leave the grill pan in there, put 4 strips of bacon on it, grill it on high, just till it's done. However you like your bacon, that's however long it's gonna take. With that bacon fat, we're gonna make a roux out of it to make our cheese sauce, okay? So I know a lot of people make a roux with butter and flour. We are using flour in the bacon fat from the cooked bacon. I mean, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? All right, so I'm gonna get you over on the counter right here, let you see how we do it. This is awesome. I'm pumped up for this. You gotta check it out. And you got to do it too. You got to tell me what you think. Once you try this, it's a little unconventional, but it's going to be awesome. All right, come on. Okay, we're about 5 minutes through. Bacon's looking good. Nice and curled up. When was the last time you grilled bacon? That's what I'm talking about right there. It's looking good. All right, probably only need another 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, the bacon's crispy. Now let's get this out and get it ready to make our cheese sauce in there. Okay, we're gonna get this grill grate out. Now you see, be very careful. Obviously there's hot bacon fat going down in there. So we got our hot bacon grease in there. We're gonna put a 1/3 of a cup of flour in there and make a quick roux. The residual heat from the grilling is gonna cook this flour down, okay? So don't worry about that. Don't worry about it. Let that cook down a little bit. Some whole milk here. I'm just gonna mix it up until it thickens up a bit in there. You know, if it starts cooling down because you put some colder milk in there, all you gotta do is shut down the lid and add a little bit more heat in there. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do real quick. Shut down the lid, add some heat. Okay, minute's up. So we're gonna thicken this like you would thicken on the stove, except the heat is coming from the top, not the bottom. Okay, so if you don't see it thickening up as quick as you want it to, okay, so I'm gonna see if we're thickening up at all. I'm gonna keep closing it down for about a minute at a time. And one thing I forgot was my butter. It's about 3 or 4 tablespoons. Okay, obviously we need a bit more heat to get it thickened up, so we're gonna shut it down. We're getting some meltage in the butter. All right, need a little bit more time to thicken up. It's getting thicker. I know it don't look like it, but it is definitely thickening up in here. Guys, you can see it's thickening up pretty good. Just need a little bit more time, a little bit more heat. Okay, we're ready to go. It's nice and thick. We're gonna put 2 cups of cheddar cheese in there, about 1.5 cups of smoked Gouda. You can't have mac and cheese without some smoked Gouda. All right, get these all mixed up, incorporated. Get to know each other a little bit. Oh yeah. All right, come on back. All right, it's looking pretty good in there. Let's put our macaroni in there, or in this case, rigatoni noodles. It's about 1 cup's worth dry. So, obviously it's plumped up a little bit. I like a cheesy mac and cheese, so I don't try to like fill every bit of it with pasta. So it's gonna be nice and creamy, okay? Forgot, we have that luscious bacon that we put in there for our bacon mac and cheese. Get that stirred around. Last but not least, we have our breadcrumb mixture here. We got a little bit of bacon, some Parmesan, and then we got a little salt in there too. It's a little jalapeno salt. So we're just gonna cover the top of this. Looking good. All right, one last thing we're gonna do is just spread a little canola oil over the top. So we get that nice golden brown. Okay, and we're gonna bake it for 20 minutes. All right, let's take a look at it. It's all done. Bubbly, delicious. Woo. I'm gonna have to go in there. I'm gonna burn my mouth for you guys right now. It's got to set up for a little bit, so I'm not gonna dish this out, but I have to get a try. This is smelling so good. You got that bacon, that smoked Gouda. I mean, come on. This thing's so hot. What do you say? Is it gonna be worth burning our mouth off for? I think so. All right. Oh, hot. Oh, it's too good. Oh, that's delicious. All right, come on back. Let's talk about it. All right, guys, that's it. This thing turned out wonderful. I burned my mouth off for you so you could see or you could hear the taste. It was very, very, very good. I was so excited to do this. It took a little bit of time, but that, sometimes good things take a little bit of time. It's, basically having your macaroni prepped or whatever pasta you're using, have that already boiled up. You're not going to boil it in the Foodi Grill, okay? So I just had that ready to go. I had all my cheeses ready to go. I didn't take you through all that just because you don't need to see me boiling water. You don't need to see me grating cheese. And you don't need to see me mixing up breadcrumbs, all right? That's all pretty stuff that you guys can handle yourself, and it's just filler on my videos. So just trust me, it's really simple to do, all right? The time-taking part of it is making the bechamel sauce with the milk in there, because you're getting it nice and hot in there with the grease and the flour, but you're cooling it down with that milk. Whether even if you leave the milk out to kind of take the chill out, you're still cooling it down. So you're gonna get it in there, you're gonna mix it around a little bit, and then you're gonna have to reheat it, okay? So you're gonna close it down, heat from the top instead of the bottom like on a stove. No big deal, same principles, pretty easy to do. Just keep stirring till it gets thick. I mean, it's just exactly what you do on the stove, okay? Keep checking, stir. Piece of cake, really, really simple, guys, trust me on this. I'll put the directions and the ingredients down below, but you guys should be able to handle this. Pretty easy to do. I'm letting it cool down a little bit because obviously I just burnt the crap out of my mouth, but hey, it was worth it. Bacon, smoked Gouda, cheese. I mean, come on, guys. This is perfect. All right, guys, that's it. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. All right. If you'd like to become a Patreon and help support the channel, we have different perks over there on Patreon. Hit the link over there. Become official member of CJ's Crew. If you'd like to get some CJ's Crew merchandise, click the link below to my Teespring account. Check it out. All right. What else? If you'd like to get this Ninja Foodi Grill, click the link below. Everything's below, guys. Hit show more. You can see it all. All right. Click the link below. I'll also pin the Amazon link for the Ninja Foodi Grill into my comments. Guys, it doesn't cost you any more if you're going to buy it through Amazon. Clicking my link. But show gets just a teeny little bit back on it, and we appreciate all we can get. All right. What else? Oh yeah, if there's something you haven't seen me make on this Ninja Foodi Grill yet, leave it in the comments. Let me know what you'd like me to make. I'm having so much fun kind of developing little recipes for this. Obviously doing a bunch of grilling, which is cool, but I want to take it to the limits. I want to see how far I can stretch this thing. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.